Welcome to my channel Creativity of Gayatri. Today here I am going to show you how you can make a emoji friendship card with just using mainly sketch pen and drawing sheet. So before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and press the bell icon so that you will get all the notification of my video. So let's start. I've taken this drawing sheet and I folded it thrice or four times, and I'm making a circle to make the emoji faces, and this is the thing, and now I'm cut it with the help of scissors. Now I took this black and yellow sketch pen to make the emoji faces. If you want, you can take the yellow drawing sheet also, because I don't have right now, so in this white color only I have taken this sketch pen and I'm preparing. If you want, you can take yellow color and red color drawing sheet and you can prepare the emoji faces. To draw all the faces. I almost done, and this is the last things I'm going to do. These doors are pending, so the different faces I'm just doing it by using this black colored pen, sketch pen, and the red color sketch pen also I have taken to draw some faces. Like this I'm drawing. See here, my emoji faces are ready. Now I'm going to write here. I'm writing by using this pencil, Happy Friendship Day. So this way I'm writing. So now I am using this ink paste, this glitter, it's a glitter paste, to apply on this letters so that it will be looks shining kind of thing and it looks nice. This way I am writing it. You should write very carefully, because when you press now it will be like spreading, so I'm just adjusting it. Now I am going to paste one by one by using this glue all over this card. I am preparing this card with this drawing sheet only I am using, and I prepared. One by one, I'm just pressing it to create a look on it. So it's very simple and easy to make a friendship card. Now my friendship card is ready now, and here I'm just cutted some heart shapes with the help of this velvet paper which I already have. So I pasted it. Now my friendship card is ready. Hope you guys liked it. If you liked, then please don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Till then, bye bye.